Friends, welcome to all for Karunadu Vibes YouTube channel. Today, I am discussing with you regarding my internship journey, which continues from the 1 month and ended successfully. I developed a homely hub project and I also learned many things which will be explaining in future slides. First of all, I introduce myself as you are looking my profile photo. I am Basara Singh Bappargi from Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. I am currently learning 5th semester Information Science and Engineering Department. I am from Karnataka, Koppala district, Kushi Taluk and Tavaragera. Next, now we will learn about the what is full stack and learn-based approach regarding the full stack, understanding the full stack development, what we use, what we learn. Means what is full stack? Full stack development refers to the ability to work on all the layers of the software application, from user interface to the back-end infrastructure. A full stack developer is proficient in both front-end and back-end technologies. This comprehensive skill set allows developers to build, test, deploy, maintain complete web applications. Full stack developers often work across multiple technologies and frameworks, ensuring seamless integration between the different technologies. The MERN stack, MongoDB, SQL.js, Node.js, and React are the most powerful technologies we are using. Front-end and back-end technologies. We learned what is full stack development, and we will learn there are two sub-layers in the full stack development, that is front-end and back-end. Index between API layers database is there. Front-end development focuses on user experience and interface design. It involves creating interactive and responsive UIs using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Frameworks like React enable dynamic content rendering and state management. The front end is what users directly interact with, making it crucial for usability and engagement. Backend technologies like handles server logic, database management, application security. This includes the routing, authentication, data processing, APIs creation. Node.js, Express.js are the commonly used build scalable and efficient backends. The backend ensures that data flows correctly and securely in between the frontend and database. We will learn about the MERN stack, components of the MERN stack, what is the MERN stack. We will discuss fully on MERN stack. I will show the demo of my project in the end of the video. Please look at once the end of the video. Please don't skip the video. If you skip, you missed the most important content. I will say most important content is missed. So don't skip the video. The first component of the MERN stack is MongoDB. It is a NoSQL type database. Other type SQL type of database means that they use tables to understand, but here it uses the JSON-like documents. It allows dynamic schemas, making it ideal for handling unstructured and evolving data. MongoDB is widely used in full stack applications due to its scalability, performance, use of integration with the Node.js. It supports horizontal scaling, providing robust querying capabilities through its MongoDB shell drivers. Its flexibility makes it a strong choice for real-time applications and content-heavy platforms. It also supports for high concurrency devices. Express.js, the back-end framework. Express.js is a minimal and flexible Node.js framework used to build web applications and APIs. It provides a robust set of features for web and mobile applications, including routing, middleware, request handling. It is a minimal and flexible Node.js tool which from the framework. It is used for deployment and RESTful APIs, enable developers to create a modular reusable code. It integrates seamlessly with MongoDB and is often used as core server layer in the modern applications. Its lightweight in nature makes it highly efficient for high performance backends. And React, which is the JavaScript library front-end pipe developed by the Facebook for building user interfaces, user experiences. React Virtual DOM document object model improves the rendering performance and enables the efficient updates. It supports two-way data binding abstraction and state management hooks like use effect and use hooks, use effect and use state. React applications are highly interactive in nature and scalable, making them perfect for dynamic and web services. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on the Chrome version 8 engine, allowing JavaScript to run on the server. It enables the full stack developers to use JavaScript for both front-end and back-end development. Node.js is asynchronous and event-driven, making it handling high concurrency applications. It supports for websites and widely used in APIs microservices. Why we choose on one stack development? Because language condition and speeds scalability. Unified language, all components uses JavaScript, reducing learning curve, enabling seamless integration between the front end and back end. Developers can write the code in one language across the entire stack, improving the consistency and reducing the context switching. Speed and scalability, refill development, stack supports fast prototyping and iteration with the tools like React and Express. The features can accelerating the time to market. Scalability and performance are also well supported in large applications. We discussed about the full stack development and front end and back end technologies, API servers, and the merge stack components architecture. What is merge? MongoDB, it is a NoSQL type of database, and the next one is our React, which is the front end framework, and Node.js and Express.js are for backend and API handling technologies. I also discuss about why to choose my one for full stack development. We will discuss about the home layer project. For the demo of the home layer project, which is shown in the end of the video, please don't skip our video. Look at once. This is the home layer logo. I also explain this in the demo. Home layer is a smart home and property management of application that allows user to list, manage, and book homes for rooms easily using the modern web technologies. Its goal is to provide simple and efficient platform for both homeowners and users to connect for short and long-term stays. Every project have objectives like this. Our project also to provide an easy-to-use platform to help homeowners to list their properties, to simplify the booking process by showing real-time availability, to maintain user secure data and authentication, to offer separate dashboards for user and owners, to reduce the communication between the user and owner, and to create a clean interactive interface which works smoothly. And features of our project is user authentication. Firstly, user can authenticate only, then we have to log in, and user authenticated user has to be booked. Property listing, property costs, property actions, and property slides are there. Search and filter functions with advanced filter functioning, range, price range, booking amenities provided, booking system, and user dashboard, owner dashboard, responsive design, smoothness in navigation. These are all the services we are providing. And design philosophy means we have simplicity, responsive design, visual clarity, and accessibility. This is the registration which is shown in the figure. Technology stacks we are used means HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, React.js for front end, Node.js and Express.js for backend, MongoDB for database, and these are all the technology stacks I explained in the previous slides. If you not seen that, please look at once. And yeah, we have also tools like ImageKit.io, JWT authentication, and Miltop services for with API handling tools. The tools like VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and MongoDB Compass for local running. And we will look at, finally it's time to look at our project. Demo of our home labor project is shown now. It is a MERN stack based project. I explained MERN stack regarding all the tech stack we used, what are the full stack and what we used in the home layer project, authentication, everything I explained in the previous slides. If you have not seen, please look at once. Now the demo of the project will be shown. Hello friends, this is our project Homely Hub, which is developed during the 1-month internship of Webstack Academy with the help of the mentors. This is the search bar function which searches the particular places. If I search, it is the search destination. Here we can enter the name of the place where we have to stay, and this is the date. I selected 29 to 1. Number of guests we have to add, and search function, filter, and this is the account circle. Yeah, I am not logged in here in this app, so that's why it's showing account circle. If I logged in, it will show my profile. We can change our profile, we can edit our profile, and we can update our password also. We can update our email also. Firstly, I come to the filter section. This is the price range, and I type from 20,600 to 20,000 and apply the filters. See some of the properties which are all having in the range got, and I apply only house, then I got there are no properties regarding house, so that's why I take hotel. I selected any type, room type. So I got these are all the properties. Any type means from Kedarnath, Uttarakhand, Ladakh, Chikmagaluru, Karnataka, and this is from Allippi, Kartika Plat, Kerala. And so I will clear all the filters which I selected and then apply filter, then all the property list will be applied. This is the home button, this is the logo of Homely App project. And these are all the search bar. If I want to search Goa, then see the two places which are from Goa is inserted from the MongoDB Compass. In that MongoDB the data is coming. So there are two places in that listed. There are Carnival Luxury Apartments and Xavier Guest House. These are all the two properties from the Goa, and I will select Karnataka. When I select the Karnataka, there is SR8 suits from the Bengaluru, and from the Opas, Chikmagaluru, there are two places, and I will remove all the contents, and I go to the Homely home, and when I click on Olive in first property, this is the location of that property, ECR, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and these are all the photos we given. So it is coming from the MongoDB data, and rent is 3,000 per night. If you want to book, we have to log in from this here. And what this place offers means kitchen, free parking, and Wi-Fi facility will be provided. These are all the extra info. Check-in time and checkout time is mentioned, and checkout time is permitted based on the availability of the prior information, and based on the availability, early check-in permitted from 10 a.m. onwards. And these are all the information given from the that property. This is the map. It's based like a exactly map, and this is the map we have taken for our reference. If you want to book, we have to log in. So I will go to the another. If you want to see extra properties, then click on image button. Then we have to see extra properties. I go back again, and I want to take Jaipur. This is the property, looking so beautiful, and this is 3,500 per night. These are all the photos which are from MongoDB data package JSON file. And I go back once again. This is the logo, search bar, search function, filter, account circle. These are the property slides from the property card, property actions like that we have developed. And if you want to move, there are again three properties came. So next we will book one property. Yes, we already discussed about the properties which are showing here, and only a logo, search bar, destination, and guest, adding the guests, and so it's functioning, filter section, about price range, property type, room type, amenities, and apply filters. And about the account circle also I will discuss, and these are all the properties, information, and check-in, check-out times, and all the regarding informations and moving slides also we will discuss. So I will log in for here through account circle. So I already logged in. If I want to press login, so that's why I want to click on new user. This is the JWT authenticated. I will type my name, my email, and my password. We have to enter strong password here. And we confirm our password and phone number also. When I click on register, see duplicate key here because I already created this account, so that's why it's coming. So simply I will log in. When I logged in, it will take some time to load the properties, and these are all the properties loaded. And my account, this is the I updated my profile in past 2 days ago, so that's why it's updated. And I have to update my profile, edit my profile, and change the password. This is my name. Welcome Basura Singh, and these are my bookings. I have not yet booked anything, so that's why it's showing empty. My accommodations also not there. You have to add. I can add. I will go to my profile. If I want to edit profile, I want to edit profile here. You can choose the photo and edit the name and everything. And when I click on update, it will update. But I can go again and change the password. First, I have to enter the current password and new password. Everything we have to enter here. I will again go back to Homely app. Just a second. Sorry for the disturbance. Now I will try to book one property. I am from Karnataka, so I will book Chikmagaluru property. So this is Chikmagaluru property. First, I will look out where it is there. Kaimakkai, Chikmagaluru, Karnataka. Name is Opas Chikmagaluru. And I want to see extra photos. These are the extra photos we are seeing. These are the description which is given from the data. A kind of experience of the unique capsule homestay where modern comfort meets innovative design, and each capsule is meticulously crafted after the something information is there. Here the condition is maximum number of guests is 10, so that's why only 10 guests have to be there. And what this place offers means Wi-Fi, swimming pool, free parking, and AC also it will offer. And where you will be from my location to exact location it will show. This is the extra info. This is the constant static. We are taken from other files. So this property rent is so high. This is 6,000 rupees. I will book now. First, I have to once again verify the property. These are all the properties, photo, and all the things. Modern suit, extra information, and the zoom in, zoom out, functioning. Sorry. So I will book now. I already told seen all the properties. So I will book from date. It is per night 26,000. So remember, please, this is 6,000 rupees per night. I will book on 29 from 31. 29 to 31 I will book. Means 2 to 3 days. Number of guests is maximum is 10. So I will give 8 guests. Full name is mine, as you know. And I will, when I click on book this photo, this will take summary. Opus Chikmagaluru 12,000 rupees because 2 days. One night is 6,000 rupees. So 2 days is 12,000 rupees. So that's why these are check-in date, check-out date. Number of guests is 8. So the maximum is 10. So that's why I entered 8. Booking summary 12,000. Number of nights is 2, as we already discussed. When I click on book now, then the reserve pay will open in test mode. It will take 30 seconds to process all the information. See, it's opening the Razor Pay integration, and here we have to enter my mobile number. See the QR code, UPI, anything we have to book, but it's test mode, so I don't want to book anything from here. It's the payment option. It is a QR code. If your friends want to book, they just send the QR code. They can book from anything. And pay later is also there. Wallet, net banking, cards, UPI, everything is supported. Homely Hub and the price summary is also there. Yes, my name, my phone number is also there. Payment option. So I will back. Are you sure on to exit? Yes, exit. Payment cancelled. If I create successfully payment, then it will show payment successful. and I will go back again to the homely hub, and if I try to book anything, it will show same, and one condition is I will try wait. For this maximum number of guests is 8. I will select 2800 per night. Once I will select from 1, 1 to 3. Guests are 10. See, it's showing guests must be 1 to 8. When I entered 10, it will showing 1 to 8 because the maximum number of guests allowed in this property is 8 only. Yeah, as already seen, these are all the processes in previous property, and we will discuss some of the functionings, and I will again go back to the next, so the 4. These are all 4 properties which I have taken, and go back to the homely hub logo. These are all the properties. My account, when I logged out, it will show user has logged out successfully. Then you are observing here the profile is disappeared. The profile disappeared here. This just the user account center. Account circle is appeared. When I logged in, account circle disappears, my profile appears. When I logged out, account circle appears, my profile disappears. This is the process here happening. This is my project. Thank you for providing the necessary information to me to develop this project and to understand this project. For all the mentors who supported in 1 month internship. You are all seen the demo of the project, which is a dynamic software which provides the users to book the rooms and homes for long and short-term stays. These are all the technical infrastructure version control like Git and GitHub, package management, NPM, dependency, building tool, create, React app, optimize production builds, code quality, ESLint and prepare, testing, Jest and React testing library, collaborative experience, and these are the some photos of my project. You already seen the functioning of my project. If you have not seen, please go back to 1 minute. Go back to 1 minute of this video. You can see the demo of my project. It will show the summary of the booking and the reserve pay. Everything will be covered. Architecture overview. All seen the homely where first it opens. It will show the property slides. Property actions will be shown. Maps. In that maps, in the one side booking section is there. We have to book. It will first show the login to the system. The authenticated users only have to book. Others will only see the software. Then authentication, we can enter the mail, password, everything is shown. Even in the demo, if you not looked in demo, please see once. And all the API integrations for fetching the data, authentication, everything will be API integration. State management using the use state and use effect. Use for using the React for consistency and optimal performance through services. Re-rendering, responsive design, and component structure is already explained using the in previous slides. Now it's time to conclude my video with thank you message. Thank you, ma'am, for providing this opportunity to my. Thank you for Abstract Academy WSA for providing these type of programs to the students who can learn the MERN-based approaches, who can learn dynamic building of the software in easy manner with the daily classes. These Abstract Academy conducts the internship from 7 to 9. They will teach everything regarding the first. They will teach about the front end, and after front end libraries like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for that they will teach about the what is MERN stack, related MERN stack components in detail. With they also explain the codes. They also do the practical coding. They will show in their screen. So they will conduct the quizzes per week and also assign the grades, and also give the assignment like this. Finally, we have to prepare a video of the 20 to 30 minutes, and we have to submit that with our demo and PPT what we learned. It's developed by MRTech WSA students like me. Used Stack, available in GitHub. Contact form, get in touch with me. basurasin2005@gmail.com. This is my email. I can welcome any feedbacks and questions if you have any doubts. If you have, I can contact you. I can help you if possible. Special thanks to MRTech's WSA program and mentors for providing platform and guidance to transform innovative ideas to functional unity. Once again, thank you for providing this opportunity to me, and also thank you for the viewers, video viewers who watched this entire video without skipping. And if someone skipped also, I don't have any queries. But the main part of the video is explained in past slides in the demo, which is shown in past slide. If you not look at this demo, please look at the demo which I shown in the previous 2 to 3 minutes ago. So thank you once again. Thank you, WSA.